not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if...
Welcome back to the channel. In case you're new here, my name is Dee. I'm a content creator based in Nairobi, Kenya. I do lifestyle, home and fitness content. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and also leave a comment down below. Today is on Thursday. I came to the office around 9:30 and I'm supposed to arrive at 9. Nimefanya kazi, as you have seen the previous clips. Okay, I didn't record everything, but I woke up, I did laundry, washed utensils, mopped the kitchen, where I started like making breakfast. Today I took breakfast at home. My mom told me to make a cake, but I woke up, and tea. I didn't have chai ya majani because I don't like it. Let me check the time. It is 2:07. That's when I want to go for lunch. So we have a Zoom meeting at 2:30. So I feel like having chicken and fries, but I was told to like avoid the fried food. Like I get used to eating food. Okay, I get used to eating food, bedding food. So I might have rice beans. Because I don't feel like eating chapels. I don't know, but let's eat for lunch. Let me show you the outfit of the day. First of all,
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try.
good morning, guys. So welcome to my bedroom. It's been long since we shot a video here. So it is on Friday. I want to show you what I got yesterday. I passed by town. I wanted some cute top vintage shirts, like the buttoned ones, so to wear with like high waist trousers. So I went and I got 5 of them, and they are going for 150 shillings. So I bought 5 and I was given a discount of buying them at 100 bob. You know, I woke up at 4, edited this video, like the half part of it. I like when I shoot a video, I edit nowadays so that it doesn't like pile up the whole video, and I get like stress editing it. So these are the the shirts and the blouses. So yeah, the first one is this one, which is like a vintage. When I saw it, I was like, nah, I'm not leaving it. So it is from Oldfield. It is like a crop. Look at the material, like the prints are to die for. So this is the first one, but it is kind of like big, yes, but I don't mind because it is a crop. So the second one, which is a shirt, and you guys, the prints are to die for. So I was like, I want long sleeve. Hizi za kuvaa sijui na jacket ama nini, because I can't wear short sleeve. I hate like leaving some parts of my body out. Even you've never seen me like wearing something that shows my cleave. I don't like that. So this was the second one, and it is so cute. The prints, I mean, when I wear it with like a white jeans or a blue one, I mean, yeah. So the next one is this one, and it is cute, but this one doesn't fit me like kabisa. It is kind of small. So in case you want it, please DM me on my Instagram, and I'm a size, it is it is size 12 and I'm size 12. I don't understand, but yeah. So in case you want it, please DM me. I'm gonna give it out for free because you're my subscriber. Okay, or I wait for like a giveaway, a 5k giveaway, because we are almost to 5k. And the other piece is this one, and it is so cute. The prints, you guys, the prints, I mean, I'm not going to try them on because they're not clean, and I have a very sensitive skin. I'm not gonna lie. So the other one is this one, and it is so cute. Like, it hugs my body so well. I ain't even ready to see me wearing them, but I have to like add another button up here. I'm up at chini. Yeah, so the prints. Yeah, so those are what I got yesterday. My bedroom is in a mess. Like, these are all the clothes that I washed yesterday. You remember me hanging them when we were with you. So yeah, today I'm not going to work. I'm going to see the mans. Yeah, so I want to like do the utensils, and then I take a shower. I come, we do my skincare. Hi guys, welcome back to today's vlog. Today is on Sunday. I'm at dubois and I'm afraid of vlogging, but yeah, I've brought my cousin. We are buying manicure stuff, so I'm gonna talk to you later.
I'd show you all around. If there's anything left in this town. If I said the things you want me to, might lead to someone else but you.
Anashinda na shoot leo. Hizo ndio baba. Unaniangalia? Good morning guys. So today is on Wednesday and I want to end this video here. I already started like a Valentine one where we went for like a vacay. I mean for dinner in the sun, yo. Inanichoma, but I have to film. I don't know if I'm visible, but najiona nikiwa so brown. Anyway, I want to make breakfast. I was seeing my dad getting ready, so I have to make breakfast for him. And then today I have a date, but it is going to be in the Valentine's vlog.
realized this vlog doesn't have enough footage and I can't upload a vlog that is 9 minutes, so we have to do something. Anyway, let's go make breakfast and yeah. So guys, welcome back. I've just got home right now and in Anikata. So I'm from doing a little shopping to add up on the things that we didn't have, because my bro did some shopping the previous weekend. So what I usually add is sugar and flour. So this is like the sugar that we normally use. If you know me, you know I love this dubois sugar, and they were 1, 2, 3, 4, so 8 kgs of sugar. Adulting is a scam. So yeah, 8 kgs of sugar, and then I have tangawizi majani chai, focus, yes, and then the soko unga, 1, 2, this is ndovu, 3, 4, hey, 5, finally 6. I mean, you all tell me why. Just tell me why I bought all of this. But it's because I want to like simple shopping next month. So yeah, and I don't want to run like my mom to run shortage of anything, you feel me? So yeah, so I'm preparing. No, I want to do some laundry right now, because we have like rationing ya maji in our area, so I don't know. I want to do laundry, and then I go to school. I pass by where we usually buy rice. If you're not new here, you know, but in case you're new, I'll definitely show you, but in the next vlog. So I passed by, and then Jumi has called me for the gift that I ordered for my boyfriend, the waterproof mattress cover, 6x6, y'all. It was expensive, I can't lie, but he's also expensive. So yeah, it's a nil. It's a 1-1. It's a goal. Yeah, anyway, let's get going. I think this is the end of this vlog. Let me just close off, because I want to upload it right now, because today is on Wednesday, and it's the day that you're going to see it. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and also share if possible. So let me put this where they're supposed to be. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.